Tecno, a brand popular for its feature-loaded budget Android smartphones, has added a new handset to its portfolio. The company has launched the Tecno Pova 2 in the Philippines market. The brand's latest offering has arrived as a pocket-friendly smartphone with a punch-hole design, a MediaTek Helio G series octa-core processor, and a quad primary camera setup at the rear. The Tecno Pova 2 has been launched soon after the brand introduced the Tecno Spark 7 Pro smartphone in the Indian market a couple of days ago. Tecno Pova 2 specifications and features. Talking about the specs, the Tecno Pova 2 offers a large 6.9-inch display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels and up to 480 nits brightness. The phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which offers a maximum clock speed of 2 GHz. The chipset is paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of native storage. The device also accepts microSD cards up to 256 GB in size. Software-wise, the phone runs HiOS 7.6, which is based on Android 11. In the camera department, the Tecno Pova 2 has a 48MP main camera on the back, which is accompanied by a 2MP macro lens, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP AI camera. The phone also offers a quad LED flash module at the rear. For selfies, the new Tecno phone has an 8MP shooter with an f/2.0 aperture. The connectivity features on board the Tecno Pova 2 include 4G LTE, dual SIM slots, VO LTE, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS with GLONASS, and a USB Type-C port. Lastly, a 7,000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support keeps the whole package running. Tecno Pova 2 pricing and availability. Talking about the price, the Tecno Pova 2's sole variant has been priced at PHP 7,990, around 12,000 rupees. The phone will go on sale in the country soon in a black color option. As of now, there's no word when the brand is planning to launch the new Pova 2 in the Indian market.